In this problem, you have to compare two numbers. The first number is 2 raised to the power 2, again raised to the power 2, raised to the power 2 and raised to the power 2. So basically 4 times 2 and that is the raised to the power 2. So 2 raised to the power 4 times 2. And the second number is 4 raised to the power 4 times 4. And you have to find which number is greater number. How will you solve this problem? Generally, these kinds of problems are solved by considering the ratio of these two numbers. But before considering the ratio, it is always a good idea to simplify these numbers. Now you see, in this case you have base is 4 and in this case we have base is 2. So we will try to convert equal base, that is we can make base of 2 and then we can see how we can compare. So let us simplify these numbers. First I will simplify this number, that is 2 raised to the power 4 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I want to simplify or if I want to calculate these powers, should I go from bottom to top or should I go from top to bottom? Of course, I have to go from top to bottom. So if I want to calculate this, so this will be 2 raised to the power 2 and then raised to the power 2 and this 2 raised to the power 2 becomes 4. So now I can write this is 4. Now next step. Now this is 2 raised to the power 4. This means 2 multiplied 4 times. So 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16. So this will be 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 16. Now I cannot simplify further because 2 raised to the power 16 is a too big number and it's not possible to calculate its value. Now let us simplify the second number, that is 4 raised to the power 4, 4, 4, 4. Now this 4 that is on the base, we can write this as 2 square. So this is equals to 2 square and then whole power 4, 4, 4, 4. Now if you remember the rules of power, that is if you have a raised to the power m raised to the power whole n, then this can be written as a raised to the power m times n. So if I use this rule, that is a raised to the power m raised to the power n, m is equals to a raised to the power m times n. So this becomes 2 raised to the power 2 times 4, 4, 4 and 4. Now see, we have basically base is same. Here I have a base is 2 and here I have base 2. So now I can compare the exponent. So basically I have to compare these two exponents. In one case 2 raised to the power 16, in another case this number, that is, so I can further rewrite this number, that is 2 raised to the power 8, 8, 8 and 8. So we have to compare this number, that is 4 times 8, with 2 raised to the power 16. Whichever is greater, corresponding number will be greater. So now the question is simply, I have to compare 2 raised to the power 16 versus 8, 8, 8 and 8. Now let us take the ratio. I can take the ratio. So let us consider the ratio of 4 times 8 and this divided by 2 raised to the power 16. This number 4 times 8 can be written as 8 times 1, 1, 1, 1. And 2 raised to the power 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 13 plus 3. And if you remember the powers, rules of power, that is if you have a raised to the power m plus n, this can be written as a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So if I apply this rule, this will be simply 2 raised to the power 13 times 2 raised to the power 3. and 2 raised to power 3 is nothing but 8. So this 8 and this 8 cancels. So now I will have 4 times 1 and then this 2 raised to the power 13. I can further write 13 as 11 plus 2. So this is 11 plus 2. And if I use this rule, that is a raised to the power m plus n is equals to a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So this will be 2 raised to the power 11 times 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4 basically, or you can write 2 raised to the power 2. Now this number is 1, 1, 1 and this number is 2 raised to the power 11. You can calculate this number. Basically 2 raised to the power 10 is 1024 and then if you multiply by 2, so this becomes 2048. 2048 divided by multiplied by 2. So now you see this number, if you see this fraction is less than 1. So this is multiplied by 1. So this fraction is less than 1. So this is less than 1 and in fact you are further dividing by 2. So this is even lesser than 1. So this quantity is less than 1. This means my denominator is a larger number. So I can say denominator, that is 2 raised to the power 16 is a larger number. And 2 raised to the power 16 corresponds to, so this means I have to compare. If you remember, this is 2 raised to the power 16 is a larger number. This means this number, that is 2 raised to the power 16, number corresponding to 2 raised to the power 16 is this one, which is basically 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2. This is 4 times 2. This number is a greater number. So now I can say this is a greater number. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.